When it comes to generating SQLAlchemy ORM queries, both Claude and ChatGPT offer solid starting points, but they differ noticeably in performance and optimization awareness. In a test of generating a complex join with filtering and aggregation, Claude produced a working query in under 2 seconds, while ChatGPT took slightly longer at around 3 seconds. However, ChatGPT's output included more detailed comments and alternative approaches, which can be helpful for learning. For raw speed and concise code, Claude had an edge, but ChatGPT provided richer context for debugging. The real difference emerged when asking for query optimization. Claude immediately suggested adding indexes and using eager loading, while ChatGPT offered similar advice but with more verbose explanations. For day-to-day development, either model works well, but developers who prioritize fast iteration may prefer Claude, while those who want deeper learning might lean toward ChatGPT. The key takeaway is that both models can handle SQLAlchemy ORM tasks effectively, but your choice depends on whether you value speed or explanatory depth.